Hey, what's happening, guys? Dan Darrow here with the final options in play video update of 2021. Um, we are 72 hours from 2022, and in addition to the start of a new year, I think a lot of people are thinking that it could be like a start of potentially like a reversal or a start of like a new type of trend in the market, right? Because over the last 2 months, or last 3 months actually, really seen like this massive separation between the leaders and the laggards, right? Stocks that are down year to date have continued to just seemingly get weaker and weaker and weaker, and there just have not been any bounces, and people are chalking it up to the January effect. Tax loss selling this year. Typically, these names or those types of names can recover or bounce a bit in January, right? Um, so, it'll be something worth monitoring because there really has been this massive separation where a few stocks keep getting better and a lot of stocks keep getting worse. Okay, so for me, my game plan on Monday is really to focus on like those two categories. So there's some stocks that are in between, less interested. It's the leaders, so like the Microsofts, right? These names have been great. They've really powered the market higher. They like Microsoft isn't at its 52-week high, but it's not that far off, and it's above most of its momentum moving averages, right? So do people step back into Microsoft? So come Monday morning when people are back at their desk and there's like money flows or money's moving around more on the start of the year. Like, are people stepping back in on the leaders, right? Is it the Microsofts? Is it the Apples, right? Which is just sitting off its like 52-week high. Like, are people going to come back into these names again and still really focus on the leaders, or are they going to look at the stuff that's been beaten up, like the laggards year to date, right? So like Baba had a huge move on Thursday, and it's just sitting right at the top of the downtrend resistance, right? So it wouldn't take a whole lot for this stocks to start to move through the top end of this downtrend resistance, and obviously, I scroll out even further, you can see like how significantly this has been hit off its high and how much it's down year to date, right? So, Baba, one of many Chinese tech names. Names like PayPal, right? A lot of people have been looking at this down sharply over the last few months. Like, so are people going to focus on the leaders again next week, so Monday, or are they going to focus on the laggards? Because both to me have potential. Like the leaders, they have some good quality setups. They're above momentum moving averages. The laggards too have some good quality setups. They're sitting right at the top end of downtrend resistance, right? So where is the money going to go? Where are people going to be looking? Where's the real action going to be once the calendar changes over to 2022? Is it going to be the leaders or is it going to be the laggards? So my playbook and on my watch list is going to be those names because like I feel like if the money's going to be coming in the money's going to be coming in to the market, right? It's going to be in one of those two areas. So I really want to have my attention on a bunch of like the top tier names like the Apples and the Microsofts, right? A lot of like the big tech leaders, Teslas, Nvidias. Also, I want to have like a good focus list of like the beaten up names, so like the PayPal's, right? The Babas, the Roku's, maybe like the Twilios, and names that have really been hit hard and very sharply over the last few months. Because if things are going to take off, then I feel like there's probably a lot of potential, but it's just being in the right names at the right time, and this weekend and maybe the remainder of today and even like Monday morning, like that's really going to be like what I want to do is like get like a good list, get a good like basket of names to focus on, and then hopefully hit the ground running on Monday. All right. Just want to wish everybody a wonderful New Year's. I hope have a if you're traveling, safe trip. Hope you all stay healthy. Have fun with your family and friends. I want a special shout out to all the options to play members. I want to thank you for being part of the team this past year, and I wish everybody a prosperous 2022. All right. So again, have a fantastic weekend, and I will talk to you all on Monday, 2022. All right. Take care.